What you are watching is a fictional, CGI-based factory documentary created for educational and visual storytelling purposes only. No real elephants are involved in this process. This concept factory demonstrates how elephant-inspired leather shoes could be produced using advanced technology, design simulation, and skilled craftsmanship. The journey begins in a virtual jungle environment. Here, a highly detailed CGI elephant is digitally created to study skin texture, thickness, and natural surface patterns. This CGI elephant is not real. It exists purely as a reference model to understand how large, thick leather materials might behave during processing. Once the CGI elephant model is finalized, it is digitally transported from the jungle environment to a secure, fictional factory. As it arrives, automated systems activate and technicians prepare for material analysis. Inside the factory, engineers begin scanning the CGI elephant skin using high-resolution sensors. Every wrinkle, fold, and surface detail is captured to ensure realistic leather simulation. Before any processing begins, the CGI elephant skin undergoes a full digital inspection. This ensures the simulated skin meets quality standards required for luxury footwear design. Next, the conceptual skin separation process begins. In this demonstration, the CGI elephant skin is carefully removed in a controlled digital environment. Precision is the priority. The goal is to preserve the natural texture while maintaining strength and flexibility. Once separated, the CGI elephant skin is laid flat on large stainless steel tables. At this stage, the material is raw and requires extensive processing. Workers begin cleaning the inner surface of the CGI elephant skin. Special tools remove excess material, preparing the surface for tanning. The skin then moves to large industrial washing tanks. Water flows across the surface, removing impurities and stabilizing the fibers. After washing, the tanning process begins. The CGI elephant skin is placed into massive rotating drums filled with carefully balanced solutions. As the drums rotate, the solution penetrates deep into the simulated fibers. This process transforms the material into durable, flexible leather. Once tanning is complete, the CGI elephant leather is removed and inspected. The leather is now softer, stronger, and ready for shaping. The leather is stretched evenly on drying frames inside climate-controlled rooms. Temperature and humidity are carefully adjusted to protect texture and strength. After drying, quality inspectors examine the CGI elephant leather. Only the best sections are selected for shoe production. The approved leather moves to the cutting department. Designers place shoe patterns carefully onto the surface to highlight the most attractive texture areas. Precision cutting machines slice the CGI elephant leather into individual shoe components. Each piece is labeled and prepared for assembly. Skilled craftsmen begin stitching the leather components together. Hand stitching and machine reinforcement work together to ensure durability. The stitched uppers are placed onto shoe molds. Heat and pressure shape the CGI elephant leather into its final form. Inner linings are added for comfort, and soles are bonded securely to the uppers. The shoes return to the molds one final time to lock the structure in place.
This blue pair is remarkable. The quality of the metallic texture is superb. Very well done.
Luxury appearance. Each pair undergoes strict quality control. Flexibility, balance, stitching, and comfort are carefully tested. Approved shoes are branded, packaged, and prepared for display. Handled with care, they represent the final result of this fictional manufacturing process. From digital concept to finished product, this CGI factory showcases how elephant-inspired leather shoes could be created through design, technology, and craftsmanship. This is not a real production process. It is a conceptual visualization designed to educate and inspire. And this is how a fictional CGI elephant leather shoe is made inside a concept factory.